The research that we are undertaking with the PanKind grant is dedicated to finding new therapies that will help pancreatic cancer patients that resist current standard of care chemotherapies. The way we're going about this is really to try and understand which are the genes, so the parts of the DNA that are essential for those cancer cells to resist chemotherapy. And by understanding that, we'll be able to target those very specifically and combine with chemotherapy to treat patients much more efficiently. So this research is really important at the moment because patients unfortunately do not respond very well to current therapies, and so the survival rate for pancreatic cancer is really low. Therefore, by developing those new approaches, we can really hope to combine with chemotherapy and treat patients in the middle to short term, whereas if we were developing completely different approaches, it would take maybe 15 or 20 years before we could be doing anything to help those patients. So the PanKind funding has enabled me to develop a new state-of-the-art, very innovative approach to identify new therapeutic targets for pancreatic cancer. And on the other hand, it's enabled a new generation of researchers who are coming to work on this grant in my lab to really develop and hone new skills that are going to be extremely useful for future pancreatic research in the future. I'm really passionate to work in the field of pancreatic cancer research because through our work we have the chance of interacting with a number of patients, a number of carers, and we know obviously how much suffering there is and how much unfortunately pancreatic cancer is a terrible burden. So that is enough really to make us so excited and passionate about finding new therapies to help those people on a day-to-day basis.